Hello, now I'll show you how to test your COVID using the self-test kit manufactured by HDAK COVID Rapid Antigen Test Kit. This HDAK self-test kit is manufactured by HDAK Life Care Private Limited, Haryana. When you start unpacking, you will have first a small packet of testing pad. Next you will have a test swab collection stick. Then you will be having a small bottle which has a liquid, antigen liquid, and the last content in the packet is like a ink filler. First content is a packet which has a test drop pad which is manufactured. You can see HDAK Life Care, and it has all the details. Next is a test swab nasal swab collection stick which is packed in a sterile packing. Next we can see there is a small bottle of liquid which has an antigen liquid which is used in testing the COVID test, and this is a ink pillar type. This is a for used for dropping the droplets into the test swab pad. Next we start with nasal swab collection stick opening. Make sure that from the outside of the pack itself you feel which is the testing side and which is the handling side. See that you do not touch the testing swab collection point so that you don't contaminate the swab collection point. Slowly you open the swab collection stick and you have to keep it aside. Yes, you have to open the test droplets dropping pad which will actually show you your test results. Slowly check the packet for marking of the tearing, and slowly you have to tear off and open the test swab testing pad, and you have to keep it aside. Take the test swab collection stick and insert in your one of the nostrils and collect your nostril swab. Each time in both the nostrils you have to rotate it 10 times and collect the swab properly. See how collected your swab. Keep the stick aside and open the small bottle which has liquid, and your test swab stick should be inserted into that small tube containing the antigen liquid and rotate it for 10 times. And you have to break the test swab stick at a breaking point. Check a small notch where you can see the breaking point easily. Once you have broken the test swab kit stick, and slowly rotate it into the tube liquid at least for 10 times. Then take droplet collection filler and insert into the tube and collect the rapid antigen test which is having your swab particles, and drop 2 droplets into the test swab pad so that you can see the results. After dropping the droplets into the test pad, you can see clearly the results. There is a point in the left corner that is saying T, which shows the test results, and in the right corner is showing the control results. right side if you have a stick, then your test is successful. And if you have in the left side the another point, then if it has another line beside the T test, if that line comes a blue or colored line, then you are positive. Only one right side line is showing, then you are not positive. If it is showing two lines, this is positive. Now this test is showing one line, so you are not positive. This completes the test.